Reinvent the look of your 2004 to 2008 Ford F-150 and improve night driving with new headlights from AnzoUSA. Installation is simple and only takes a couple of hours. These are the hand tools you'll need for the installation. Begin by disconnecting your vehicle's negative battery terminal. Remove the plastic pin located on the top of your factory headlight. Remove the grille shroud to reveal the two 10mm bolts on the side of the headlight. Remove the two 10mm bolts on the side, as well as the 10mm bolt on the top of the headlight. Gently pull the headlight toward the front of the vehicle until it pops out of place. Disconnect the three harnesses from the back side of the headlight and remove the factory headlight from the vehicle. Bring your new ANZO headlight over to the vehicle. Splice the black ground wire to the black wire on the 2-wire parking light harness, and splice the green power wire onto the same 2-wire parking light harness. Once the wires are spliced, bolt your new ANZO headlight into place. Repeat the previous steps on the other side and reinstall the factory parts following the instructions in reverse. Check the function of your new ANZO headlights once they're both installed. Before driving your car on the road, aim your new ANZO headlights using your factory manual, or watch our Aiming Your ANZO Headlights video. Don't get left in the dark. Visit AnzoUSA.com to see all of our performance lighting products for your vehicle.